5 people were lost on a planet called Bird Planet. On top of that, they just lost 2 of their friends. They were kidnapped to Bird City, and they were on a incredible journey to rescue them. These are their stories. They reached a point on their journey where anything will happen. They were in the grassland. They do not know where to go. David thought, did I pull out the rock? Holly said, David, no, don't pull out the rock. I think we'll go straight ahead. David said, okay, I'll take your hand off that and I'll go straight ahead. David said to the little girl, where are your parents? Don't you have any parents? The little girl said, I have a mom, but I lost my mom a long time ago. David said, I see. Little girl, could you help bring her back? There's this map that says about there being 4 castles, but only one castle is the right castle. David said, okay, we'll help you, little girl, bring back your mom. David said, okay, there's 2 castles here, and then over there's another set of 2 castles, so we go straight ahead. Holly said, yeah, go straight ahead. David said, okay. David said, I think this is the castle, the last castle, I think it's the right castle. Holly said, yeah, I think you're right. And Jackie said, I think you're right. David said, do you think I should check the magic rock? Holly said, I don't think so, and Jackie said, I don't think so. Okay, they were in the castle and they said, is anyone there? Is anyone there? Okay, they came to a part in the castle where there were 4 doors. The question was what doors did they go into? They heard that the number on the door had something to do with the castle, so they decided to go into number 4. David said to the lady, do you have a little girl? She's looking for you. The lady said, yes, I do have a little girl. David said, come with us. The lady said, okay. David said, okay, we brought you to where your little girl is, and your little girl is happy that you returned. Well, guys, I guess we better be going, right? And they said goodbye to the lady and the lady's little girl, and they said goodbye. Okay, they were out of the grasslands, and they were happy they were out of the grasslands. David said, how about we camp here tonight? And I said, yeah, let's camp here tonight.